Okay, so we have a bomb body, we have a bomb top, and we have a bomb fuse. That bomb fuse gets smaller as we work our way through the animation. However, what we don't have is another frame for our body and our top. Now you can see that our bomb fuse gets smaller as we work our way through the animation. However, where's our bomb and our bomb top? We have to make sure that they exist. At the minute, they only exist in the very first frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I've got bomb top selected. And I'm going to move to the very end of our animation, which is number 120. I'm going to right click there and I'm going to do exactly what I did before, and I'm going to insert a keyframe in there just to make sure that that top appears all the way through. Okay. Now I'm going to select bomb body. I'm going to move right to the very end, frame 120 of the animation. I'm going to right click and I'm going to say insert keyframe just to make sure that that bomb body will be there as well. Now if I move backwards and forwards, I can see both the top and the body, as well as at the fuse, which gets smaller all the way through the animation. And in fact, an easier way of doing this is, instead of using the mouse, I can hold down the shift key and press enter, and it'll let me see how quickly the fuse burns down. Maybe it's not the most realistic fuse at the minute, but we're going to change that pretty shortly. Okay, so we're going to go back to the very first frame, and I'm going to remind you of something that we did in the very first instance when we made our movie, and that was click on scene 1. We're going to go back to the very first bit, which you remember is called the stage. And now that we have something in our library to put on the stage, we're going to go across to our library and we're going to drag this over here, and we're going to drop a couple of them onto the library. We've got 2 bombs on the stage. Fantastic. Now we can use our transform tool. We select one of these bombs to change the size. So we have a bomb in the distance here. We can have a bomb up close in the corner. And if we wanted to, we got something in the center. There we go. 3 bombs to defuse in 5 seconds. How does that sound? Easy? Right. Now the advantage with having a library of symbols instead of drawing each of these individually is that if I want to make a change to these bombs, if I want to add something to a bomb, if I want to, for example, if I want to make it burn a wee bit more realistically, I can edit it inside the library. I can double click on it here. Say for example, if I wanted to change the color of the bomb to a red, I can do that here, and having changed it in the library, once I go back to scene 1 again to my stage, they've all changed for me automatically. Okay, I'm just going to undo that change. I'm going to go back there, and I'm going to say edit, whoops, edit, undo. There we go, back to normal again. And our next stage, our next step, is going to be to create a more realistic animation for this fuse. But first of all, I'd like you to go to scene 1. I'd like you to drag and drop a couple of bombs on there, make a small one, a medium one, and a large one.